Hello everyone and welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use the new color, the new Pantone color, the Very Peri one for 2022 in Adobe Photoshop. So right now, as soon as I have typed that in, so this is the name of the new color. So what you'll have to do is that you'll have to simply double click on the color or the foreground color, and you'll be able to simply type in this number. So it's 6667AB. So this is the hexadecimal of that specific color. So click on OK. And now, I'm just gonna click on the brush and I'm just gonna brush it here. Alright. So this is the code. So I'm gonna put the code right here. So the code is, let me just change the color to white. So hash 6667AB. Alright. So this is the new color, the new Pantone color, alright, for 2022. And this is it. So I hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all later. Bye bye.